Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. I'm Nick and this is Wave of Wealth. Imagine making money online by selling digital products. And get this, basically you do not need a massive following or an established audience to start. So I know it sounds too good to be true, guys, but stick around because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can kickstart your digital product business from a scratch. And no matter basically where you are in the world, this method works for everyone. It doesn't require a website, guys. It doesn't require some major investments or anything like that. And by the end of this video, you'll have an actionable steps to create and sell digital products that generate income. That's right, guys, all without needing a single follower. So ready to dive in? Let's get started. So what you need to do first, guys, of course, you need to find a product. In today's world, guys, basically the most important thing is to find out what's the biggest thing that you do, what's the biggest gap where you can jump in, guys, and get the profit. Take the cream, take everything, because right now in the digital world, guys, in the internet era, you do not need to know how to make a digital product, guys. That's a skill that you can learn basically in 5 to 10 minutes, because we're talking here about digital products. Okay, so what do we need to focus on here, guys? What do we need to make, not how to make it, because how to make it, guys, it's so easy. You have maybe somewhere around 1 billion tutorials for every single product out there, guys. You will build them. So how? It's not a question, it's what. So let's get started, guys. What I want to point out right here is that you need to focus on basically where to find that gap, guys. Yeah, my honest recommendation for you, because we live in this internet and digital era, is to take advantage of the newest hit in the 2024 world, AI. Ask ChatGPT to find you some niches, to find you some gaps, guys, where there's a huge demand, guys, but low supply and everything. So I found some products for you can base your business on, guys. Number one thing, as you can see right here, guys, is of course on Etsy. Of course, this is your product sales channel. Of course, we're gonna get in touch with that, but first focus on this. For example, printable planner templates, whether it is, guys, daily, weekly, or monthly, budget planners, guys, fitness or meal planners. We all know that's the newest hit in the world, guys. People want to get in shape, want to get healthy, guys. And of course, as I mentioned before, budget planners, guys, people they just don't know. We are, of course, new generation, Gen Z and everything, guys. We do not know how to manage money, and budget planners are something extremely popular right now, and it's super easy to make them. And of course, the super easy to make them, guys, huge demand equals a profit for you. So let's check it out right here. For example, as I mentioned, guys, we're gonna focus right now in this part of the video on printable planner templates. So what do you need? As I mentioned, you, for example, decided you want to make them. So right here, guys, let's check it out. You need a platform where you can make them. Of course, I recommend you Whipic right here. You can check it out, guys. For example, you can see some great planners. You can edit them, more info and everything, guys. You can check them out. Of course, good old Canva, guys, has it all. So check them out, whether you're using a Canva Premium or not. It ain't matter, because of course you can check it out for some free templates and everything, guys. Create blank section is here and everything. Just made an account, guys, and you are basically good to go. But my personal favorite is, to be quite honest, the easiest to use, guys, the best templates and everything, Notion. So please just keep that in your mind. I mean, I'm not forcing you to use Notion and everything, guys. You can even use some Fourth, Fifth, or some other platform, guys, some other software or anything to make it templates, guys. All you need basically for this is your creativity, persistency, and discipline. That's it. You need to make 10, 100, 1,000, several thousands of templates, guys. You will earn $0, but after that, if you're disciplined enough, if you're persistent enough, guys, you will be paid off definitely. You will see the profit, guys, in the weeks, in the months, or on some point in the future, but you will see it because digital products, all you need is that a little spark, that first dollars, guys, and you are good to go. So right here, for example, we can type it in, guys. You can check it out right here. For example, meal planners. Let's see what will pop up, guys, right here. So 100 templates already. Templates that you can use. You can customize by your own taste, by your own opinion or anything, guys. A weekly meal planner, free. Meal planner free. Meal planner free, guys. Right here you can check it out. Meal planner is free, and that's the most important thing for you guys, that you can use plenty of amazing 100. You can check them out, guys, right here. A lot more right here section, over 100 great templates that you can customize for yourself, guys, and you can check them out. For example, this one is the prettiest one, guys. Right here you can see categories per personal goals, health and fitness, food, nutrition, personal, seasonal, and so on and so on. So view template, get template, guys. You can press another one of those and either customize it or get it for yourself, guys. So give it a shot and check it out. Meal planner recipes, guys. Customize it by your own opinion, as I said, and check it out straight away. And the next thing you should focus on definitely, guys, is your sales channels. So of course we have right here Gumroad. You can check it out, guys, app.gumroad.com, but my personal favorite, it's most definitely Etsy. You can check them out, guys. Meal planner, I typed it in right here, guys, or you can even type in printer, grocery list, and so on, guys. You have plenty of specifications right here, so press on search and you can check it out. Etsy picks, guys, weekly meal again, printable, weight loss, undated, and so on. But what's the very first thing that you can notice, guys, right here? Okay, we have some beautiful planners, guys. We have some amazing colors, but from a sales point, what's the psychological advantage that you need to gain over the customer? It's discount. So right here you can see, guys, 60% off, 40% off, 60, 70% off, guys. So what you need to do here, you need to set up a first price to be a high one. So no one expects from your customers to pay $7.88 for a simple digital for a simple digital product, guys. This is a meal planner. No, but you know that. So you either way put $7.88, guys, right here as your first initial price, and then you gain that psychological advantage that I mentioned before. 70% off is something that will trigger some point in the brain of customers that they will think about, guys. Think like this: I need to get this. I need to take advantage of 70% off. It's incredible, and that's how the consumers think, guys. It's not $2.36 they need to pay. It's $5.52, guys. They will not have to pay. They will not pay, guys, because of 70% off price. And that's the strongest advice I can give to you guys. High set initial price, and then huge percentage off. So check it out, guys, right here. As I said, Etsy is definitely the best platform for you right here. So yeah, check it out. As I said, we know you need to have a strong product, guys. You need to search for it, search for a gap in the market, have a strong product, and know how to build it, guys. It's really easy to learn, know where to build it, guys, and then you know where you need to sell it. But what, as I mentioned before in the beginning part of the video, guys, you do not need any followers, and that's true. But what does that mean? Someone else has to have them. So what you need to do is a small influencer. I prefer TikTok right now because I think, in my opinion, it's the #1 platform for product placement right here, guys. So yes, definitely TikTok is my #1, but of course you can use the other channels, guys, from YouTube to Instagram, Twitter, and so on. But for this kind of digital products, I think the TikTok is the very best one. So we're focusing right now on meal plans. So let's check it out. We want a small influencer, for example, in fitness industry, some nutritionist that has several thousand followers, guys, or maybe even more. It's all about the price they will ask from you to pay for the commercial, guys. So for marketing, so let's check it out. Fitness. Let's see what pops up, guys. Definitely the most important, the most popular people, guys. But as I said, you can of course go and set it up, guys, right here. Just a second, you need to go fitness accounts right here. You can check it out right here. 2,275,000, 2 million, guys, 258,000, and so on. You can see plenty of influencers right here, guys. Fitness Mina right here is 138,000 followers. Let's check it out right here, guys. If you want to focus on fitness meal plan, guys, then you go search for fitness influencers, and so on and so on. Nutritionist and everything, guys. Everything is super easy. I mean, you all know the drill, guys. You can just set your parameters. You can find accounts for up to 50,000 followers, guys, and you're good to go. Type a message, guys. Say hello on an email, guys, the most professional, and then negotiate the price. That's the most important things. You need a product, you need to find a gap, you need to know find a platform where you need to build it, and then you need your sales channels, and of course your influencers, your product placement, your marketing, guys. That's basically it. With maybe no initial investment, you can earn several hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It's all about how persistent and disciplined you are. So give it a shot, guys, and let me know in the comments how it works. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit the notification like button. Until the next time, goodbye.